Hello everyone, I'm back to share with you this beautiful gift that has simply touched me to the core. This is a very stunning journal in a box from Sharon of Elegant Tools. So I'm going to share that with you guys, but I want to share first with you some of the paperclip embellishments that she included with the journal as well. And I love that. I love all of the layering, the buttons, the bead. I just love everything. And she has these as well, and I love that. I could take these ladies and make a journal. That's what I would love to do. So she also has some paper clip, what would you call them? They're dress form paper clips, and she shows you how she makes them on one of her tutorials. So you'll probably see some of those from me in the future. Those are just adorable. And then she has this cute little letter that she's shared with me as well. Just lovely. Okay, so we're going to get to this amazing box, you guys. Now, if I were to make something like this, I can guarantee you it would weigh a brick or two or three. But it's very lightweight. It's like paper mache. And this shows you how creative she is. She's taken just your everyday, things and cut them out and shape them to look like all of this is metal. But it's not, and it's very lightweight. Very, very lightweight. Love this tag. She knows that my favorite colors are yellow and purple. And I love dragons. So I'm going to set that to the side. And I'm going to kind of show you guys this box a little bit better. But just look at that. And there's the top and the handle. Let me back up. There's the side. And here is the back of the box. This is a pocket. There's a pocket there. And here is the other side. I hope I'm not too close. You guys know I'm struggling with camera setup. I got a new setup, and I will probably end up getting another one as well. I'll show you guys the underside of this. And I can hear my journal toggling around in there. Okay, so it has these two little belt hinges that are hold the journal closed just with Velcro strips. Love all of the bling. I do love me some bling. Okay, so this is the inside. I'm going to remove the journal so I can show you guys all of the inside of this, okay? And I love that. I just love it. Look at that. I love the brightness, the yellow roses and pansies. Everything's just gorgeous. Okay, I'm going to set this to the side so I can share the journal with you guys. Set that up there. Yep. And we're going to share this beautiful journal with you. There's the side. And here is the back. Everything is just beautiful. Look at the yellow butterflies, man. And look at all the tabs. I love this. I love that idea. And just loaded up with lots of colorful tabs. Now look at the closure. You guys saw the closure there. And this, and I love the little bee on there, like the queen bee. I love that. Everything is so blingy. Little Tim Holtz hitch post for the closure. And I'm not going to do a complete flip because I'm going to send you guys over to her channel because she has beautiful journals and lots of tutorials. And I want you guys to go over and check her out. But it all flips out like so. And this is a writing journal, you guys. So the journals that I have collected, and I'll probably do a video, but I have a few more to collect. But of all the journals that I've collected, I still only write in my very own journals, or journals that I have made myself. But you guys, I'm telling you, I'm so inspired and I love this. I will be putting those aside, and this is what I'm going to journal in. It just has everything I love. All the lovely journal pages. I mean, look at that. Now I know that she designs her own digital pages as well. So I'm not sure if this is one of her designs, but if it's not, I mean, it fit me perfectly. This is a little tuck spot. I've got some bling on the butterfly. That's a pocket with a little tag. I can't see that too good. And I love that. I think about every page has a tab. You guys, I love that. This is a writing journal. I know I've said that, but you guys, there are a few things that I want to share with you in here. There's another little pocket with a journaling card. And I love the gold. My wedding colors were purple and gold. Okay, because yellow is a form of gold, right? But anyway, this is a beautiful gold doily that she's got on that digital. So the first thing I want to share with you, that's a little tuck spot, is some paper clips. So hold on, let me find one. There's a loaded pocket. It's got some tags in it. And the back side as well has a few tags. Love that gold bodice. So let me another little pocket. And this is some trim that she's cut out and fit to that page, or to that little curve on that paper. Okay, this is what I want to share with you. I love how she has the little paper clips coming through the page. And you just tuck some stuff right under it. Same on the back. And then she's just used the little butterflies to cover where the hole is for the paper clip. Love that. Now the next thing, now that's just one of her pages downsized. The next thing I want to share with you guys is, other than all the lushness, another little tuck spot. I mean, I just love the, I mean, look at everything is just so beautiful. Just look. Let's check that out. Okay, so what I want to share with you is, there's a little tuck spot. There's another flip, and that's a pocket. There's that page. I like how she's connected it to where it's just one large ongoing picture. There's a little tuck on the back of that. I love that little flip out. Now, there's one more thing I want to share with you guys, and then I will let you go. Here it is. Okay, I've already been playing around with it, but it's another piece of Velcro holding that page. And that's the picture. You get how they are, I don't know how you call it. They're mirroring each other, but anyway, so that opens up. And you have this beautiful golden doily again. And it stands as a window pocket. I don't know what you would call this. but there's a large tag behind. And then that will just slide back in. And of course, I'm at this odd angle. Nope, I would need two hands. I'm going to turn it to the side here and slide that back in. It slides in wonderfully once you have the right angle, and that closes back up. So you guys, thank you for watching, and please go over and check her out. You will not be disappointed. I mean, just look at all the gorgeousness, and everything is so beautiful and bold, and I love it. So I will see you guys next time. I don't know when. I have so many journals and stuff going on that I have nothing going on. Do you guys know what I'm talking about? Okay, you guys have a lovely day, evening, night, wherever you are.